All right, pros. So now that you guys have seen how I get ready for bed, let's show you guys how to get ready during the morning time or when you get up after you have done the process of laying your hair down at night and basically just trying to take good care of yourself because your girl is not sleeping at night. But I was super happy with how my hair came out. I really do like the Top Notch Flame scarf a lot better than me using the regular bandana because it lays my hair down and it doesn't make me feel like it's like dried out, even though I perspire a lot. And I noticed that I did not perspire very much or don't perspire very much whenever I use that scarf versus when I use the cotton scarves. All right, so now that I've taken that off, I took it off so I could go ahead and cleanse my face, get myself together. Your girl is trying to get back into taking very good care of herself. So the easy way to do this process is to just take a little bit of water just to kind of wet the face down. You know your face been dry all night. Stop acting like it's not dry, okay? Put a little dance on, put on a little bit of music, some worship music, whatever you got to do to get yourself going. Grab your exfoliating pads and blow some bubbles. Activate that pad. I absolutely love this part of the process, by the way. I'm a huge kid at heart. It just makes me feel really good, okay? Go ahead and activate those bubbles and then go ahead and exfoliate that skin, honey. Exfoliate, exfoliate, exfoliate. Scrub the dirt away, scrub your troubles away, scrub everything away. Scrub that big bill that's sitting on your counter away. Don't even think about it and make your skin feel nice. That's just how we're going to do it from now on. That's 2023. We're exfoliating away all of the troubles, okay? Also, don't forget to exfoliate those eyebrows, you guys. We all are definitely lacking of exfoliating the eyebrows, okay? There is a lot of dry skin hitched up in there. It is still here. Now, once you are done exfoliating, take a look at your pad and see how dirty your face is, even though you just exfoliated yesterday. It's nasty, okay? Don't act like your skin is always clean. We're perspiring all day long, you guys. We're in the elements all day, okay? So now that we've exfoliated and your girl got her groove and I'm putting in my moves and I'm getting my day started, go ahead and wash that face with a little bit of cold water. Cleanse it really, really well. So today I'm not using my towel because it's dirty. So I'm just using a facial sponge just to keep my face nice and dewy, but to get the excess water off. I really like these facial sponges. They are available in my Amazon store for those of you that are looking. They are disposable, but your girl reuses hers like 2-3 times and then I throw them away. Okay, so I'm getting like 2-3 days of use out of this sponge before I throw it in the trash. All right, so now my face is feeling fresh and glowy. That's exactly what I was mouthing in the video, just for those of you that don't know. So now I'm going to take one of my toning pads. I actually took our brightening turmeric toning spray and I applied it into a cup or a bottle and put it on some cotton pads because I like to rub my toner on. But you can spray yours on. It's really your choice. I just like to be able to like tailor my skin and really rub it in. Make sure that your girl is toned. Okay? Toned. Okay? If you can't say toned, that means that you're not toning. Okay. Anyway, once we're done with that, now we're going to go ahead and allow this to kind of set in. Do a little dance a little bit more. And then we're going to take our facial serum, which is our brightening facial serum, and we're going to seal the deal and just go ahead and moisturize that skin. Now, this is a lightweight moisturizer. It is an oil base, but for those of you who have oily skin, even though it's an oil base, it doesn't actually create more production of oil. It actually keeps the skin from feeling super, super dry, and it keeps you from creating that extra oily skin. People don't understand that just because you're oily, that doesn't mean you stay away from oil. That means that you're not using the right ones. So your girl has just put you on to this glow. Say cheese. Pow. All right. Go ahead and get your brush. Brush your hair down. So now we're ready to go ahead and get this hair started, okay? Remember, we just pin curled it last night. You guys can tell it laid. It stayed. Okay, so I'm going to take out the pins that I put in my hair, and all I'm doing is just literally removing the pins, okay? That's it. I'm not fluffing it just yet. I want all the pins out first. You'll see me kind of using my fingers just to kind of get that pin look out of it, just so it starts to understand that I'm about to do something. And then I was also trying to search for any other pins that I had in my hair. Now, if you don't have these pins, you can use hair pins. You don't have to use clips, okay? And then we're going to use this 99-cent comb. A lot of you think that you have to get really expensive stuff to use in regards to tools for your hair. No, no, no. This comb is 99 cents. You can get it anywhere. And then I like to fluff my hair up, okay? I like my hair to look kind of wild, slightly tailored, but untailored. We are in the times now where it doesn't need to be like one direction. It doesn't need to be straight. It doesn't need to be curled. It just needs to look flowy and pretty. And everybody that saw me with this particular style, they were like, oh my gosh, who does your hair? And in my mind, I'm like, some clips and $1.99 to 99-cent comb. And your girl did this a couple days ago, but listen, I would take the compliments. They don't need to know that. I let them know that I'm a hairstylist, and they can get the style too for only $49.99 and an appointment. I'm just playing. I'm just playing. Okay, but there was one piece that would not stay, so I had to kind of like work with it and just make it forced to stay. But I was enjoying this messy style. I like messy big hair. I used to like my hair to be like nothing standing out. No, I like my hair to look messy and flowy at the same time. When that breeze blows, I'm looking like Fabio, his girlfriend, not the man. Anyway, once I was done with that, you guys, my hair was ready to go, and your girl was ready to step out the door and feel nice. Now, before we could do that, because I have forgot to tell y'all this part. Let me go ahead. I had to film it again so you guys can see. Don't forget to put on your fragrance oils behind that ear, okay? Have you ever rubbed your finger behind your ear? Please, don't let your man hug you and you don't smell like some fragrance. Go ahead and get you some LEPUR fragrance oils. They're on sale, 30% off during Labor Day. The one that I'm actually using is the Gucci Bloom, and now I'm ready to go. Peace. I'm out.